Hello dear friends, hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, dear friends, in the previous videos, in the previous lectures, I had started a detailed overview of metabolism of the body, in which catabolism and anabolism occur. Plus I had also discussed the endergonic and exergonic reactions. So in this video, in this vlog here, I will discuss another good topic of metabolism, and then I will further exceed my topic to the next. But before starting my lecture video, before starting my topic, here I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of my upcoming videos. Let's start my topic. So dear viewers, example of biological oxidation reaction. In the previous lecture I had discussed the oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction, but now in this lecture I will discuss the example is a biological oxidation biological redox reaction. So basically biological oxidation reaction or biological redox reaction have three main types. The first one is glycolysis, second one is fatty acid oxidation, and the third one is Krebs cycle. Here I will discuss one by one with very detail. Biological oxidation reaction produce large amounts of energy which is used to synthesize ATP, which is called the energy currency of the cell. ATP is generally produced through glycolysis. Glycolysis must be near an abundance of oxygen. So glycolysis occur in the abundance of oxygen. Basically glycolysis is an anaerobic pathway, but it occurs in abundance of oxygen. That's why because there are other steps like Krebs cycle, electron transport chain needs oxygen for their pathways. So glycolysis by nature is not an efficient process. It occurs in the absence of oxygen, but it is not an efficient process. Efficient process means it does not produce efficient energy for the body processes, for the body metabolism, for the body activities, but it can produce a very less amount of energy. Plus it can produce some other large products, like it can produce an ADP, pyruvic acid, 2-pyruvate molecule per glucose molecule, which can further be metabolized in the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain and in link reaction, and then it will release energy. So when in the glycolysis pyruvate molecule is produced, so this pyruvate is then reduced to lactate with NADH as a reducing agent, or it can reduce to alcohol in anaerobic pathway. While in anaerobic pathway, in favorable aerobic process, glycolysis proceeds with two additional processes, which is called citric acid cycle and electron transport chain. So basically these two types of metabolisms occur. Aerobic metabolism after glycolysis, in which pyruvate is converted, pyruvate is oxidized into ATPs. So glycolysis and Krebs cycle also produces NADH and FADH2. NADH and FADH2 in turn produce ATP through electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation. While in electron transport chain, it is a series. Basically, electron transport chain, it is a series of electron transporters embedded in the inner mitochondrial membrane. These transporters are called cytochromes. These transporters shuttles electrons from NADH and FADH to molecular oxygen, which are the final electron acceptor in the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. In this process, protons are pumped from the mitochondrial matrix to the intermembrane space, and oxygen is reduced to form water. While in oxidative phosphorylation, it is the process in which ATP is formed. ATP is formed as a result of the transfer of electrons from NADH or FADH2 to O2. Electrons are transported through electron transport chain. So basically these two electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation occurs in the glycolysis and Krebs cycle, which produce NADH and FADH2. So I hope you will like my video. I hope you will understand my video. If you are watching my YouTube channel, then here I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.